Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive Bitcoin using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen you will see the send, receive, buy and trade icons. Go to receive. And here the first one on the list is Bitcoin. Now when you tap on Bitcoin, it's going to open up your QR code. And with this QR code, you can receive Bitcoin from anyone. You can show this QR code and the sender can scan this QR code and send the Bitcoin to your wallet. Or you can copy your address and send it to anyone. Or you can even set an amount of Bitcoin that you want to receive. As you can see, I can type in, let's say 1000 Bitcoins. And now there is a different QR code, and this link is going to refer to this specific amount of crypto. So if anyone scans this crypto, they can only send you 1000 Bitcoins, no more, no less. So that's pretty much it. And you can also share your address by tapping on share, and you can choose any platforms that you want to share your link or QR code on. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.